Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you have edit rights and the necessary connector permissions. Open the Freeform canvas and select the Connectors tool or press C to speed things up. Next, pick the connector type, straight, curved, or elbow, and set thickness and color so your visuals read correctly. As you click a source object, drag toward the target. This starts the link. Once done, release near the target and Freeform will snap the endpoint. This minimizes manual alignment later. Once a connector exists, focus on anchors and routing to make the flow clear. Add or move anchor points to route around content. Delete extra anchors to simplify lines. Next, toggle routing modes, orthogonal for diagrams, curved for organic flows, or straight for minimalism, and enable auto-avoid so connectors skirt objects automatically. Make sure to set arrowheads and line joins for readability, and position labels close to midpoints. These adjustments control how the connector behaves when you move objects later. To finish, lock connectors or group them with their objects to preserve layout during edits. Use Snap-to-Grid and Align tools to tidy spacing and ensure consistent gaps. This prevents accidental overlap. If a connector breaks after moving shapes, reconnect the endpoints by dragging from the endpoint to the new target, or reapply the appropriate routing mode to restore clean paths. One key tip: if auto-routing misbehaves, delete intermediate anchors and let the system recalculate the path. It fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.